Yeah.
Hi, this is Dr. Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will try to understand what is sneezing, how much is the speed of the sneeze when we sneeze, what is the speed of this sneezing. It's very interesting, and plus I'll be telling you the difference between the allergies and the cold. Why do we sneeze at this time and how we can differentiate that sneezing is because of the cold or it's because of the allergies. So stay with me up to the last. The first thing, what is sneezing? It is the irritation of the mucous membrane. The mucous membrane is the internal covering of our organs, of our body. Here, we mostly talk about the nose, the mucous membrane that is covering the nose. It gets irritated and we sneeze. So now let's move towards the causes. What causes the irritation? The first is, it's simple, it's allergies. So any kinds of allergy, it's from the trees, it's from the pollen grains, anything. This will irritate the mucous membrane and we will sneeze. The second thing is steroidal sprays. If you are using any of the steroidal sprays, that can also cause in the irritation of this mucous membrane. The third is the flu or the viruses or the bacteria. So any kinds of flu, it's virus or bacteria, also causes the irritation of the mucous membrane. Now, the fourth is, it is because of the medical or the medicinal withdrawal also. If you are taking any of the medicines and you withdraw it, then also many times it causes the sneezing. The fifth one is any kinds of triggers. It can be even the emotional triggers, as lots of crying, lots of laughter. These kinds of triggers also can cause in the sneezing. Plus, any kinds of spicy food or spices, there's also cause the trigger of the mucous membrane. And any kinds of powders also can cause the trigger of the mucous membrane. So any of the triggers, we will sneeze. So now let's try to differentiate between the sneezing of the cold and sneezing of the allergies. How we will come to know that sneeze is because of the allergies or we have any of the flus. It's very simple. If it's because of the cold, then the nose will have the more secretions coming out. You will see the secretions from the nose. This is the signal that it is because of the cold, it is because of the flus. If allergic, you will just simply sneeze and nothing will come out from your nose. So this is the difference between the allergic one and the cold ones. If with the water or with any kinds of fluid coming out, this means it's cold. If it's dry, just keep on sneezing. This is because of the allergies. Now let's move towards the interesting part, that the speed of sneezing. It is actually 160 to 160 kilometers per hour. When you ride, you can think of 160 kilometers per hour. In this speed, we sneeze because the mucous membrane has been irritated. So our body is so strong that it can create so big impact just by sneezing. Our body is totally amazing. This is one of the reasons why we sneeze. I hope you understand this. I hope these all informations will help you, and if you are sneezing, you will sneeze less. Stay healthy, stay happy. If you have find this information is beneficial and can help you or any of your friend or family member, don't forget to share it and subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.